Hello my angels, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm in a different spot. I am currently in Dallas, Texas. I'm here for a brief business mastermind weekend, if you will. And for this video, I wanted to show you how I packed my my carry-on, sorry, for my travel for this weekend. I left, or it's currently Friday, so I'm here Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then I'm leaving late on Monday. So I wanted to show you guys what I packed to give myself some variety for my outfits, to give me some options to transition those looks to the evening time, and give you some ideas on how you can pack your carry-on as well. Now, excuse if I look a little bit disheveled. I've been up since 4 a.m. It's currently almost 2 o'clock. And I've slept in this makeup and everything else, so we're gonna roll with it for now. And in addition to that, I thought I would also bring you guys along with me this weekend. I don't know that I'll be able to vlog much, but at the very least I'm going to vlog the different outfits that I have in my carry-on, so you guys can see how that ends up translating for me as I'm here for the weekend. So for my personal item, I brought the Louis Vuitton GM, and it's because it's such a big bag. So it's kind of almost like an extra carry-on for me anyway. And I thought it would be perfect for this weekend trip. Okay, so here's what's in my GM that I brought. So first of all, I brought my laptop just because I am working this weekend. It's not a weekend off, so I need my work stuff, if you will. So brought my laptop. This is the pouch that comes in the GM bag. So in here I have all of my electronic like cords, so like my laptop charger, my phone charger, I've got my AirPods in there, my vlogging camera battery or like an extra one. So anything electronic like cord wise that I'll need is all in this little baby, so it's easy to find when I need it. I brought a book for on the plane and any downtime I might happen to get. I brought some Kleenex from the plane just because I had the flu about a week ago, and although I'm feeling better, I just have a residual kind of stuffy nose, so I brought that. I brought this pencil case that you guys would have seen in one of my favorites videos that I absolutely love. I just stuffed some pens and highlighters in there for note-taking this weekend, and I know I've shown you guys this before, but you push it down and then all the pens and whatnot are revealed. Like, how friggin' cute is that? I love this thing. This is my passport holder. I just love that. Take Me Away. It's by Poppy and Peonies. This is cute little vegan leather. Then I have my Adele wallet from Louis Vuitton that you guys have seen in God knows how many videos. I've had this for quite a few years now. But I like it because I'm not normally someone that carries cash on me, but when I'm in the US, I tend to carry at least just a little bit emergency money. So I put it in there and it's got all my cards and stuff. I always bring a snack for on the plane, although this might sound weird, but I don't eat it until the end of my trip, just so I'm making sure I've always got something available in my purse in case I need it. I don't know if that's weird. I'm a bit hypoglycemic, so that's why I like to keep an extra snack in my purse. So if I didn't have to eat it on the plane, I try not to. Yeah, I don't know if that's super weird, but anyway, I keep that handy. And then I brought my Louis Vuitton desk agenda. You guys know that I love the Hobonichi journals, so I had an extra one that I'm using for my notes this weekend, so I brought that so I can take all of my notes, etc. And then I also had a bottle of water that's basically been used, and some gum just to help with like your ear popping on the plane. And that is what was in this baby. She's empty now. Okay, next let's address what I brought with me for this weekend. Okay, so this is what my suitcase looks like. This looks very covered because I've got a blazer laid on top here. So I've got some undergarments there and my accessories that I put in the side pouch here. I've got my flat iron in here. And then everything else is packed in here. The suitcase was not overstuffed. It zipped up easy. I have lots of extra room, especially on this side if I want to, I don't know, get anything while I'm here, which I doubt will happen, but hey, you know. So when I get rid of the blazer, underneath, I've just got some extra accessories, brush, and a clutch for the nighttime, which we'll get into in a bit. And then here's all my clothes for the weekend. And then I've got just a vanity pouch with some makeup, bathroom products, etc. I've got some sunglasses, And I've got some shoes tucked in the side, and I rolled up a denim jacket as well in case it's a little bit cool with some of my lighter layers. And I rolled that into the corner of the carry-on. Okay, so here's a snapshot of everything that came out of that carry-on case. So the thing I brought most of was tops. Number one, because I like variety, and number two, I am kind of messy. So in case I spill something on myself, that is why I have a couple of extra like t-shirts for myself. But I'm gonna walk you through everything that I brought. So as you guys know, I'm a huge module user for my closet. So for those of you that don't know what it is, you take 3 tops, 2 bottoms, 1 outer layer. The outer layer could be whatever you want, a jacket, a blazer, a cardigan, whatever. And those 6 pieces will translate to 12 outfits. Now you can see using the module theory that you can actually create so many outfits just from a few simple pieces. If your first module matches another module, so you take another 6 pieces that match with the first one, and then keep going up from there, your outfit possibilities while away could be endless. Now in this case, I brought 2 extra layers. So I brought 1 extra blazer and a denim jacket just because I knew I wasn't going to need like an actual coat here in Dallas. So I've almost got like a partial next module, but again, it was just in case of spills on my end, and I wasn't sure how I was gonna feel with the weather. But other than that, we stuck to the module. So I'm gonna show you guys what I brought, and everything here mixes and matches, so it gives me a ton of outfit variety as well. Okay, so the first things that I brought is, number one is a white blazer. This is from Zara. It's just a really nice long white blazer, which you guys will see the outfits in just a moment as I roll through how my weekend goes. I also brought a denim jacket just because I brought a couple of light layered t-shirts, and for where we're going for dinner, I didn't know if I would need a layer, and my blazers didn't quite go with the skirt that I brought, so I wanted to bring a denim jacket just in case, but it may go unused, we'll see. For pants, I brought 3 bottoms. So one is this gorgeous silk skirt from Vince that I bought on sale. I also brought these Good American kind of waxy pants. I don't know if you guys will be able to see the texture of that, but they're super, super comfortable. I like that these could easily be dressed up or down. So I brought those, and then of course the jeans that I'm currently wearing. Tops, I brought 6 altogether. So I have this leopard kind of silky shirt. It's just from H&M. I brought, it's actually a matching set from Vince, a matching silk top. This t-shirt from Express, this t-shirt from Dynamite, and a t-shirt from Forever 21. And again, these 2 in particular are here more just in case I spill something, because it has happened, and these shirts are so delicate, so I wanted to bring a backup just in case. Sorry, and I also brought 1 turtleneck, but this is for my flight home because I want something for warm, something that's warm on the plane. So this won't be worn like this weekend, but it'll definitely be worn before I leave. And then I also packed a cotton nightgown, obviously for PJs for bedtime. I brought 2 pieces of accessories in addition to some studs that I'm wearing right now in my ears. These are pieces that I could wear during the day or at nighttime. Obviously these ones will really glam up like a look for the evening, but I didn't need to go too crazy with my accessories, so I just brought these 2. Hairbrush and sunglasses. I brought 1 set of heels. These are Prada gold pumps that I've had for a while now, and honestly, hands down, they have to be one of the best designer purchases I've ever made because I use them all the time. And I didn't have a dust bag for them, so I found an old Louis Vuitton Agenda dust bag, and I shoved them in there. And then I brought my vanity case that just has like extra like bathroom stuff like cotton pads, makeup remover, or sorry, not makeup remover. Actually, you know what? Hang on. Let's just open it and I'll show you guys. My makeup brushes in here. Powder, I've got a razor, I've got a deodorant that's a crystal that I use because I like natural stuff. Cotton pads, my contacts, my stuff for my contacts. I brought the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. I've got my bronzer in there, some lip balm. I've got one of those smaller hairbrushes. I don't know what these are called, I always forget. But I didn't want to bring like another big one in addition to that round. So I just packed this little baby. And I've got my beauty blender in there. And that's kind of it. All my liquid products in the bathroom. And then the last accessory that I brought is just this gold belt to use at nighttime with the skirt because I had an outfit idea in mind. That, guys, is everything that fit into my travel case. You'll notice that I tried to not pick super bulky materials. So like all of this stuff is very soft and flowing. Same with the skirt, my pajama set. And even the denim jacket, like I rolled up into a little ball. The only thing that was bulky was the blazer, of which I have two, one that you just saw me in. So that's why I wore one on the plane, just to save some space and put that one in the suitcase. Another thing I forgot to mention that was at the top of my purse, as my personal item, is a scarf. I always bring one with me on the plane for a couple of reasons. Number one, I bring a blanket scarf, and I use it as a pillow if I'm sleepy on the plane. So I had a really early AM flight today, and I actually did. I scrunched this up in a ball, stuffed it under my neck, and used it as a beautiful pillow. The other thing I've used blanket scarves for is an actual blanket on the plane. If I happen to get chilly, especially around my feet, then I'll drape this across my legs or across my shoulders or whatever. So I love bringing scarves with me just for plain use. I'm not gonna use it while I'm here. And then anything like silks or draping fabrics, I try to roll those pieces instead of folding them in the traditional way, just to avoid any strong wrinkles in the fabric. While some wrinkling will definitely occur, I know that with the silk shirt and skirt I bought, just leave them in the bathroom when I'm showering and the heat will hopefully relax the wrinkles really beautifully. Okay, so here's my travel outfit for today. It's super simple. So I am wearing this blazer that I'm obsessed with from Theory. I got it on sale in some of the January sales, which I will do a haul with you guys of some of the things I picked up during the sales very soon. So stay tuned for that. Underneath I am wearing a navy turtleneck. And then on the bottom I am wearing these Good American jeans, which if you guys have not tried Good American jeans, honestly guys, so awesome. I love them. So I've got these ones. I can't remember the style name, but I will look it up and link it down below for you guys. And then on my feet I have these super cute, oh, you can see the little socket in there, sorry. But I have these really cute Stuart Weitzman loafers that I'm just loving. They are so comfortable, guys, and they have the smallest little platform that also has like a touch of a brown leather trim that goes around the outside. To me, it just looks so sharp. It's just a nice polished shoe. Good morning, angels. I'm all ready for my seminar or first day here in Dallas, and I wanted to show you my first capsule outfit. So today I am wearing this white Zara jacket or blazer that you would have seen when I was showing you what I packed. I am wearing the leopard print blouse. This is actually from H&M. It's got a really fabulous drape, which I really love. If you're someone with curve, make sure you're watching for fabrics that have a really nice drape to them. It just ebbs and flows over the body really beautifully. And I tucked them into these really high-waisted, like waxy kind of black pants from Good American that you guys would have seen when I was showing you what I packed. They're just super, super comfortable. And I like it because they have enough sheen that I could easily transition this to nighttime. But to me, they also give a bit of a edgy vibe for the day, you know? And then for shoes, I'm wearing these Stuart Weitzman loafers that you guys saw me rocking yesterday when I got in from the airport. Hello, babes. It is now the evening. I'm heading out for dinner. And I thought I'd show you guys what I am wearing. So I have my brown Vince shirt on. We're just going for like an upscale, like casual dinner. So I'm just rocking the same like waxy jeans. Like I said, they transition well for the evening. So I'm wearing those with that silk shirt and clutch. And then I just have these earrings on from Aldo that have that little bit of bling. You guys have seen these 1,000 times, I know. I put my hair slightly back. I've got these, or this ring on from Chloe. And that's it. Oh, and I put on my heels. So again, casual, cute, super comfortable. My angels, it is day 2 in Dallas. And today I'm feeling very comfortable. I've decided to put on these really fun blingy earrings, sorry, that you guys saw that I packed. These are from Zara, but I just love the statement they provide to me. They just make like a basic outfit just a little bit more special and fun just because they're so obnoxiously large, you know? I love it, living for them. I'm wearing this blazer from Theory. Got like a really beautiful like mustard, brown, beige, blue, so pretty. So I just decided to stick with the navy from the blazer. and rock that through my whole look. So I just have a basic t-shirt on from Dynamite, just really basic easy tee, navy tee. And then I'm wearing these Good American jeans. And then I'm wearing my Stuart Weitzman loafers once more. It's been a fabulous weekend masterminding with these badass female entrepreneurs. I'm so enjoying it and feeling super, super inspired. So I can't wait to go into the day today and then have dinner with these fab babes later tonight. Okay, angels, this is my last evening outfit, I should say. Now, excuse the fact that I am back in my place. I realized that while in Dallas, I forgot to film this last dinner outfit while I was there. So I've just replicated it. Everything is exactly the same. Makeup, hair, accessories, all that good stuff. So I'll walk you through it. I decided to wear the Vince silk skirt. I absolutely love this. It's got sort of like a wrap around the front, which I find very, very elegant. I'm also wearing the gold heels that I brought with me. Oh, and little Jasmine, look, she's helping me out. But yeah, I just love a good metallic heel. I feel like it elevates any look, and the fact that it's pointed also creates a really nice elevation for the look. Because we were going to this, it was almost like an upscale seafood restaurant. I didn't want to be too dressy because it still had a very like casual element to the restaurant. So I tossed over this denim jacket just so that things wouldn't be like too dressy, because even like this t-shirt has like a really nice drape to it, and it's super comfortable. It's actually just from Express, which is fantastic. Now, because I am all in solids, I brought this clutch with me that I had for the weekend. This one is by Claire Vivier. But I just love when you're wearing solids to throw in like a good print just to kind of make the outfit pop, you know? And then I'm wearing these earrings that you guys saw from Zara. That is what I wore to dinner. Again, who can't handle a little bit of bling just to kind of elevate an outfit? So this was dinner. Oops, I feel like I'm gonna be stepping on Jasmine. This was dinner outfit number 2. Hey angels, so here is my final airport outfit. I know the background's different. Long story short, my flight was delayed just because there was so much snow going down in Toronto. So I ended up staying in a hotel for like solely 9 hours. It's currently 2:45 in the morning and I have to head back to the airport. But it's all good. I'm a little sleepy, but it's all good. So I'm just literally rocking the same outfit I had on last night. Because why not? So I have on a turtleneck. This is just from Zara, just nice and comfortable and easy. I'm wearing the denim Good American jeans that you guys saw earlier, and then my Stuart Weitzman loafers. And then just in case I get chilly on the plane, I brought my blazer. And my hubby, when he comes to pick me up, will have a very thick winter coat for the crazy weather that's awaiting me in Toronto. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed seeing what I packed and what my outfits were for while I was away. But I'm sending you guys all the love to the moon and back, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye guys.